So guys, it's the perfect fall season. Look at the leaves. Trees are turning yellow and we're making some soup inside. So just enjoy it. Hope you like this video that we're making today. And we're enjoying the weather outside. It's nice fall season and we're making some nice pumpkin soup and chicken, all right? Thank you for watching. All right, checking again, my decent people. Today we're gonna do something that traditionally we do on a Saturday. Just make some soup. And I know you guys like the soup videos, so here we go. I got all my ingredients ready. Here you go. Got some pumpkin. I got some carrots. We have some soup flavored right there, and then we also have some corn, some okra, and I have my chicken already cut up. I have some yam and I have some potatoes ready to go, guys. So welcome back. Join me with this video. We're making Saturday soup, guys, and I see I got my pot started already with the soup, and we're just gonna cut up all my rest of my ingredients and add it to the pot. So I got some pumpkin here already. Thanks for checking back with another video, guys. And this one is easy. You just drop everything in the pot. No stress. And like I said, it's tradition. We always make soup on a Saturday when I was growing up, so it's just something that we do. And we just got the yam in there. And the potatoes are very soft, so we're gonna keep this for last. Alright. 1 onion. Do some scallion or green onion, depends on what you guys call it. And this one doesn't take a lot of time because you got everything in the pot right away. Everything just boil up together, just cook down together. chicken, give it some flavor. You can see I got my corn already cut into small pieces. And make sure you get everything off your corn. Cut them into 3 pieces or 2 pieces of big, smaller ones, and add that to the pot. So the tomato and the okra we're gonna add later on, because they're really easy to cook. Guys, we're halfway there. So we have this to add, and of course we're gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna cut this up because it's probably gonna be too hot, so we're gonna leave it whole. So I got all my vegetables in, except for the tomatoes and the okra, and then we're gonna add that later. So I'll make a nice pot of soup right there on a Saturday evening. It's pretty good. So we don't have the meat seasoned up, I'm just gonna add it. Add some black pepper. Some little allspice. And we're gonna put some salt. And we're gonna let that cook for half an hour. We should be good to go in 45 minutes. And we add some potatoes. See there? It's coming along nice. Alright guys, there we are. We have one more ingredient left to add, some dumplings. And then we are done. It's looking good, looking good. So we're making some spinners, guys. As you can see, it's looking good. We're dropping some spinners in the pot. Some regular dumplings. That's it, guys. We are done. Just gonna wait for that to go down a little bit. It's looking good. We're gonna add our special soup mixed inside. Brace. Nice soup flavoring. Look at that. As you can see, it's fall weather outside, guys, so it's getting chilly, so we're making some soup. Okay, guys, we are ready to serve. Look at that soup. It's looking so good. So we got everything in there. There you have it, guys. For tuning into my video, guys. Chef Rudy here. Like, share, and subscribe. Respect. I'm out.